Speaking at the inaugural function, MD-CPN SYIEM said that all representatives of the state should have knowledge of all the different schemes offered by the central and state government to enable better service to the people. He further informed that the office of the Dorbar SHNONG Lawmali Pyllun, which had been constructed under one of the schemes of the KHADC, would cater to the needs of residents of each block under Lawmali Pyllun.
Ngim pensitom milih nam takajing bahaju susi. Pagkalong kaju por na kabanta bagi na pensitom, kam sitom kamlong besuk. Natarai ada pensiong ha ga yeng ke badon ke bayam. Dan ke pra ta pim thung pim tap kan umpoi chu chu ko. Haju por la bonlong mi kman asu kal bolong ha pensitom.
Attendees at the inaugural function included the SHNONG of Lawmali Pyllun, Mr. B. Khongwer, members of the Executive Committee of the Dorbar SHNONG and residents of the area.